Would you like to have an automated Forex system that can make you money 24/7, even if you have no knowledge of Forex trading whatsoever? A system that uses strategies that are proven to be making massive amounts of money at this very moment.
I'd highly recommend it. It's a free workshop, so why not go have a look?
Life after Forex Made Easy. It's been a whirlwind. I was unemployed and loaded up the van and moved to California. This is the old van, and this is where I stayed for about a month and a half when I moved here from Texas. And until I saw the Forex Made Easy commercial, and I knew it was exactly what I was looking for. The first 3 weeks were amazing. I did a little over $14,000 in my first 3 weeks. This is my job now.
Advised by professional Forex experts, wrapped up in a simple automated system that requires absolutely no work on your part. A system that can pull in massive amounts like this, and this, and this, all without you having to lift a finger. Even already, the few seconds you have been listening to this video, you're actually missing out on free money.
Okay, so that was about 20 years ago. But then Forex took a weird turn. Somehow Forex turned into this.
Repeat after me. Chase the charts, not the money.
Chase the charts, not the money.
Only progressive conversations.
Only progressive conversations.
So about 20-something years ago, I was learning from YouTube Technical College back then. We didn't have what you guys have now. It was a totally different offering. I remember I was watching this commercial with my mom, and he had his brother up there. He was like, yeah, you know, I took $20. I turned it into 200. And he had these dudes, they were like at a gym in a high school with some suits on, hair slicked back, and they were holding a seminar and they recorded a little infomercial. I never forget that, man, because I fell for it. I absolutely fell for it. But anyways, that's where the love of trading came into play. Forex will get you started, but futures is where you want to be. And let's talk about it. Regulation. Forex is decentralized, and your broker might be making money against you. With futures, everything is centralized. Clear rules, fair playing field. In Forex, there's no official volume data. You're trading blind. In futures, you get actual volume. Here's the part that these Forex influencers don't tell you. There's high leverage in Forex, which is a trap. It makes blowing your account almost guaranteed. In futures, margins are realistic, and you're not paying hidden markup fees on every trade. One thing I couldn't stand is that you would have a limit order way below or above price, and then somehow magically you get triggered into the trade. There's no spike, there's no nothing, you're just in the trade automatically, and what? You're at a loss because you're brought in way below or above where you were trying to get in. And that's because if there's not enough volatility within Forex, guess what? They can trigger your trades. They have the right to do so. I've had several conversations with some brokers that I can't repeat. So the tax advantages. So 60% of gains are taxed at the long-term rate, no matter how short your trade is. So when I switched to futures, my trading got clearer, my data got better, and my profits were finally consistent. And I'm not telling you this to brag, I'm telling you because if you're serious, you can do it too. So here's my advice. Use Forex as training wheels if you must, but graduate to futures somewhere along the line. Drop a comment and tell me if you're still trading Forex and how it's working out for you. It might be your thing, who knows? But for me, meh. So this isn't anything against Forex, because to be honest, that's where I started. That's where most of us started. But eventually, you're gonna have to jump out of that pond and go inside of that ocean. My name is Bruce Rain, and this is Trader's Ambition. Let's get it. Thank you.